Hello friends, I am Afifa and today I am going to tell you about prejudice and discrimination, and the subject is SST and it is for the class 6. Before starting the video, I would like to tell you that please watch this video till end so that you can learn everything about prejudice and discrimination. And please press the thumb icon, which means that you like the video, and please, if you have not yet subscribed the video, subscribe the channel, please subscribe it. Okay, now let's start the video. First, let's read the contents. Prejudice, discrimination, inequality, apartheid, stereotypes. First, we will talk about prejudice. What do you understand by prejudice? So, prejudice means to create a negative opinion or thought about a person, but still we don't, and yet we don't know him or her. It means that we don't know about that person, but still we are thinking wrong and we are thinking negative opinions about that person. For example, the people who live in cities think that the people who live in the villages are so illiterate, but it is not so. It may be that the people which live in villages may be educated, and the people who live in villages think that the people who live in cities are so proudy and they think that I am so educated. So this creates prejudice. The people think wrong opinions, negative opinions about each other, but it may not be so. Okay? So now next is discrimination. Okay? Discrimination. Discrimination means to create difference among people due to their caste, religion, society, gender, age, etc. Okay, the root causes of discrimination are diversity, prejudice, and inequality. What are the root causes of discrimination? The root causes of discrimination are diversity, prejudice, and inequality. So before telling you more about, I would like to stop here and I would like to say you that in the description box there is a link given, and that is the link of the chapter Understanding Diversity. Please watch that video so that you can understand about diversity. Now let's continue. So what is the next topic? Inequality. So in inequality, there is the culture, the caste, and the economic condition creates a difference between person. Though the person lives at same place, that belong to same religion, but still due to some reason, due to some factors like economic conditions, due to education, there is a difference between them. Like there are two people who live in same colony, but one goes to school because he has money and he can prefer school, but second cannot prefer school and he sells fruit. So that person speaks Hindi who doesn't go to school, but one who goes to school speaks English and Hindi both. So that creates a difference between both of them, as they belong to same religion and same place and they live in that same state, but still due to some conditions there is a difference created between both of them. This is known as inequality, in which there is a difference created. Between two persons or more than two persons. One gets more privilege and one doesn't get more privilege, means less than the second person. I think you have understood. Okay, now let's talk about the fourth topic, which is apartheid. Apartheid means to make a difference between when we make a difference between the skin color. Okay, like black and white. We say, as you know, that it was started in South Africa between black and white. White thinks that they are born to rule on black. Okay, they have ego that they are white. Okay, So, and I want to tell you more about this, that when in South Africa this was started, this apartheid was started, this difference was started between black and white, Nelson Mandela fought against it and he became the first black president of South Africa. First, okay? Black president of South Africa. Now let's go on the next topic, which is the last topic, stereotypes. What do you mean by stereotypes? It is similar to the prejudice, but in this there is a difference created between a gender, between two peoples, but in that people pressurized to do both of them, to follow and obey that work. What they think, what they suppose they have, the person has to do that. Okay, like for example, I can tell you that in olden days, when in same home, in same house, there are children of same parents. One is boy and one is girl. This is the difference of gender. Okay, one is boy and one is girl. But the same parent says that his son will go to school and the daughter will stay at home and do the household works. Okay, but this was wrong. This happened due to the lack of education at that time. Okay, this stereotype thinkings and thoughts was in olden times due to the lack of education. Okay, like boys go to school and the girls will not go. So when nowadays the education is increasing, so these types of thoughts are also decreasing. Okay, so this was about stereotypes. I think you have understood stereotypes, apartheid, inequality, discriminations and prejudice, and also known about the Nelson Mandela. And this was all I came up with, and I think that you have understood everything I told, and if you have any doubt, please write in the comment box. And I am again telling you to please like and share the video, and if you have not subscribed, then please subscribe the channel, and I will come back again with my another video. Bye.